Today, we're making Sellou or Sfouf. It's a traditional Moroccan sweet made from ground almonds, sesame seed, toasted flour, cinnamon, and more. You'll find this tasty treat year-round in Morocco, but it's synonymous with Ramadan. Now, this recipe takes some time as there's a lot of prep work involved. Frying and grinding almonds, roasting sesame seeds, and toasting flour to golden perfection. I learned that both ingredients and texture can really vary. For example, some prepare Sellou with honey and others use powdered sugar. There are versions where olive oil is used in place of butter to make things a little healthier. As I was making this for the first time, I used a tutorial from Cooking with Alia's Flavors of Morocco as a guide. She has a wonderful Ramadan series that she's giving away for free. I'll include details in the description below. To finish, the ingredients come together in a large mixing bowl and are combined and kneaded until your desired texture is achieved. It's common to see Sellou piled high in a dome and very ornately decorated. If you make this at home, let me know how you make yours in the comments below. Like and follow for more, and as always, Saha, Bon Appétit!